Hey. Oh. Well, guess what? Salmon Rad. You found. Yep. Hey. Yep. I'm actually recording right now. Oh, I've let a couple people on the server, but hopefully not doing this. 'Cause if you place that, I'm going to be pissed. But as you can see here, it looks like they're actually crafting and placing wood pallets. It's the newest behavior we've got right now. So before, remember, they were just placing a bunch of dirt. Now we've got wood pallets. Also, I don't know what's going on here, but every time I log onto the server, there's just giant hole in this spot here. So I don't know if anybody knows what's going on there, but I have no idea what happens there. But as you can see, we've got the pattern now with wood planks, so that's pretty cool. So hopefully that wasn't caused by this guy here, Salmon Rat or whatever, who's one of you guys that jumped on Discord and I must have given access to the server. So I'm starting not to like that we don't have a fully controlled environment here, but just don't mess with their stuff and leave things around for me to discover that will confuse me. We're at 243, which the interesting thing is we made it up to 250 earlier. So everything that was like generation 250, they must have died off. So that must have been a bad batch of 250. Hold on. See if I can find it here. It's all pretty much the same bloodline, though. But yeah, 250 there. And then it went down to 243. That means we went through all 7 generations there, all of them that spawned. So, yeah. So that's cool. It's the biggest thing right now that I've seen so far. Let's go check out the stats. Yeah, a bunch of wooden planks around here. Let's see what they're crafting. Assuming that the internet will work for me. So let's check it out. Craft. We can get these names to load, hopefully. There we go. So the most they've done is this wooden planks, and that's not a count, that's the ID, actually, a Minecraft ID. Come on. It would be disappointing if it was actually 0. Oh, there's an error, that's what's happening. Bear with me a minute. I made a modification so it displayed more than just IDs here. What was the error? Define or null to object. Interesting. Let's take a look at the place block stats. Interesting. So it's not tracking the place block correctly, potentially. I could be wrong. Oh, that's right. Place block callback sucks. Place block attempt. We got to go to place block attempt. Place block callback is really unstable right now, like from Mindflayer. I'm not even sure it's from Mindflayer or what, but spruce wood planks. So we should be able to see. I'm wagering with that many, there's got to be more. Oh, it actually worked. I was looking at that. So there's at least 6 from 2 different characters, but that doesn't seem to accommodate the volume that we've seen there. Up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we saw a handful over here. Another possibility, there goes 6, 7. But I need to put better counting in play here, but so that's interesting though. So that's the newest behavior for tonight. I'm not seeing any indication that they've done more than that though. Yeah. I remember seeing them like go way out in the distance. Like they've traveled pretty well. Some of them get stuck in that little gorge there. Oh boy, I'm having connectivity issues. So again, people were talking about is that my screencasting software, is that Minecraft? It is most definitely my Minecraft server and the internet that I've got here, the connection. So I don't think anybody's making them out here, otherwise we'd see more kills. But cool news is we've got some crafting going on. These pillars, I like the patterns. Hey, how's it going? Yeah, we've got some pretty interesting patterns popping up here. I'm curious to see what'll happen in the future. I'm trying to think of how I would reward placing blocks next to each other that aren't like of the same type. So, but all right, well, take care, my friend. I think I'm going to sign off for the moment. Let's check out. Actually, you know what? I'm going to take that back. I want to see what we've got here for craft successes. I'm tempted to hit the master reset button and just tweak the fitness function because I think we've run a little bit. Plus, I want to clear out this, like the kill.zombie doesn't need to be there anymore. But let me finish cleaning up our tools here. Yeah, hold on. Wait, I want them to craft 50, but we probably need them to craft something else first because 50 is, if I'm not mistaken, 50 is a torch. But they're going to need to probably craft a, they're going to need to craft a crafting table first. So next thing we're going to do when I hit the reset is to up the crafting table thing here. But yeah, you can see they're crafting wood planks. I want to make that a solid count. So I'm working on new stats for this thing so we can see how many. Yeah, something's off with my, got to be off with my API. So I'm still, as with everything, it's a work in progress. I'm going to leave you guys with this for now. It'll be easier to upload if I just don't go for the full 10 minutes. Thank you guys for checking out Chaos Craft, and I'll have more videos soon. Got a little progress today, one step at a time. Check me out on Patreon and Discord as well if you want to join the conversation. Some really good conversations going on in Discord here. Some really cool stuff. Bye.